Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War Reloaded Beta on Game Pass. Game Pass Ultimate and PC Game Pass memberships frequently offer exclusive access to game betas. This means you can often jump into upcoming titles, such as Gears of War Reloaded, well before their official launch. It's a fantastic perk, giving you a sneak peek and the chance to experience new features and content firsthand. Remember, an active Game Pass subscription is usually the key to unlocking these exciting early play opportunities. To find the beta, first head to the Game Pass section on your Xbox console or the Xbox app on your PC. From there, you'll want to search directly for the beta title, for example, Gears of War Reloaded Beta. Keep an eye out for any dedicated beta listings or special announcements within the Game Pass library. Occasionally, these early access opportunities might be nestled within a coming soon or early access category, so explore those sections thoroughly. After successfully locating the beta, simply select it and begin the download process. It's always a good idea to ensure your gaming device meets the minimum system requirements to guarantee smooth gameplay. For instance, the Gears of War Reloaded beta was roughly 13.4 gigabytes on Xbox Series X. Also, double-check that your Game Pass subscription stays active for the entire duration of the beta period to avoid any interruptions to your play. When playing a beta, remember that these are test versions, so expect some limited content and potential bugs. Your participation is crucial. By engaging with the beta, you help developers refine the game before its official launch. Many betas offer convenient in-game feedback tools or direct you to dedicated community forums. Providing your honest input is incredibly valuable, contributing significantly to improving the overall game experience for thousands of players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.